Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A meticulously landscaped backyard scene adjacent to a modern gray house. Natural stone pathways, meandering through the garden, are composed of large slabs of gray stone, interspersed with smooth, dark river rocks. Water features with cascading waterfalls flow through the stonework, creating a serene ambience. The garden design incorporates a variety of plants, including vibrant purple lavender bushes, lush green shrubs, and decorative grasses. A Japanese-style aesthetic is evident in the careful placement of the plants and natural materials. The house features a covered porch with a wooden deck. The overall color palette is muted, with shades of gray, green, and brown tones, emphasizing the natural, earthy elements. A tranquil, modern Japanese-style garden courtyard. A contemporary, two-story home with a minimalist aesthetic, featuring a dark gray-black roof and light beige/off-white walls, sits amidst meticulously landscaped gardens. The garden incorporates a gravel-raked area with white lines, lush greenery, and large, scattered rocks. A flowing water feature, in the form of a small pond with a concrete bridge-like structure crossing over it, is central to the design. The bridge reflects the house and surrounding plants. Wooden decking extends from the house over the water, reflecting light and creating a calming ambience. The trees are a mix of greens and browns. Soft, warm lighting illuminates the plants and bridge. A large, opulent, Italianate-style mansion at twilight. Impressively sized, with multiple stories, arched windows, and balconies. Warm, golden hues of the setting sun reflecting on the exterior stonework and the elaborate landscaping. Palm trees and tall cypress trees frame the house, and the gardens are full of lush greenery and decorative features. A reflecting pool with water features snakes through the landscaping, mirroring the building. Illuminated pathways and stone patios create a relaxed, luxurious ambience. The style is hyperrealistic, capturing the rich details of the architecture and the textures of the environment. A modern, landscaped courtyard with a contemporary home. The scene is a sunny day, with dappled light falling on the lush, carefully curated landscaping. The home has a minimalist aesthetic, with a large, gray stone facade and a dark metal roof. The landscaping includes various textures and plants, including grasses, succulents, and shrubs. There's a large, rust-colored metal sculpture/water feature, set within a stone-lined planter filled with gravel. The walkway is paved with light gray, textured concrete slabs, which have been laid in a grid pattern and interspersed with short, manicured grass. The overall color palette is muted, with earthy tones of gray, brown, and muted greens. A modern, light-filled courtyard with a large koi pond. A light beige/tan stone paved patio surrounds a rectangular koi pond with water features and a variety of lush green plants and trees nestled within the landscape design. The courtyard is enclosed by contemporary beige stucco buildings with dark brown/bronze metal roofing accents and expansive glass walls. The buildings feature a modern aesthetic with clean lines and minimal ornamentation. The courtyard is well lit by natural daylight, casting soft shadows. The sky is a clear light blue with some scattered clouds. A modern, landscaped backyard. A walkway of slate pavers winds through a garden of varied plants, including ornamental grasses, shrubs, and herbs. A light gray, almost white, siding house with a tan-colored wooden plank exterior. A mix of textures and light. The gravel paths and beds are a light gray color, and the plants have varying shades of green, beige, and purple. The house has large windows. The wood siding is a light medium brown with a subtle grain. The trees are lush and green with full foliage. A light gray wood fence bordering the yard. The sunlight is bright and casts shadows along the pathways. Impressionistic style, slightly emphasized landscaping to enhance the mood. A modern, minimalist, entryway to a contemporary home with a Japanese garden aesthetic. A spacious entryway with large sliding glass doors, leading to a light-filled interior. The exterior is dark gray/black metal with warm wooden accents. A covered entryway, with a dark gray/black metal staircase leading down to a paved walkway of light brown wood planks. White pebbles are spread across the ground around the steps. An arrangement of small bushes and trees, styled in a Japanese garden approach. Dark, rectangular planters containing various greenery are situated around the walkway, providing a mix of different textures. A large, leafy tree anchors the scene, beautifully intertwining with the overall design. A meticulously landscaped pathway leads to a modern home at dusk. Hyperrealistic rendering. The pathway is paved with light gray stone slabs, intricately patterned with squares of artificial grass. Low-voltage spotlights illuminate the pathway and the lush, neatly trimmed hedges bordering it. The hedges are a deep, vibrant green, contrasting with the gray stone and the warm glow of the home's lit windows. The home is a two-story structure with a contemporary design, featuring a light beige facade, dark roofing, and large windows showcasing the interior light. The house sits amidst well-maintained gardens with flowering bushes and trees. The trees and shrubs are various shades of green and brown. A modern, meticulously landscaped backyard patio. The scene is daytime, with dappled sunlight filtering through mature trees. The patio is paved with large, light gray pavers with embedded dark gray pebbles, creating a textured surface. Stepping stones and raised garden beds of varying heights are positioned throughout the space. The beds are dark brown wood and hold various plants, including ferns, grasses, and leafy greens. A wooden bench provides seating. A modern, light beige sectional sofa is placed on a stone patio area within the garden. A low wooden stump coffee table sits beside the sofa. A dark, slatted wooden fence frames part of the garden. A vibrant, colorful, and meticulously designed landscape featuring a mosaic pathway. A large, circular mosaic pattern, filled with vibrant colors like oranges, yellows, reds, blues, and greens, is centered in the grassy area. The mosaic is surrounded by various plants, including succulents, agaves, and other desert-style plants in varying shades of green, orange, and red, creating a lively tapestry of colors and textures. The landscaping includes a pathway of concrete pavers transitioning through different-sized mosaics as it meanders around the garden. A modern metal pergola with abstract, floral-inspired design details is visible in the middle of the yard. A meticulously landscaped backyard patio area. A modern, light gray-beige house with a covered porch and white pillars. The scene is a hyper-realistic depiction of a residential garden. The porch has a dark gray wicker seating set and a light-colored outdoor table. A path of dark gray flagstone pavers leads through the yard to a dark gray fire bowl. The path is edged by gravel, planted with various greenery including boxwood hedges and flowering shrubs, and trees, with a Japanese maple tree in the middle ground. A wooden privacy fence, and a mix of flowering plants and small evergreen trees. The image is full of lush greenery in varied textures, soft light, and clear definition. A modern, minimalist home with a contemporary xeriscape landscaping design. A large, light gray stone facade, with a medium brown wooden garage door, sits at the center of the scene. The home is situated on a flat, paved driveway, which transitions into a geometrically laid, light beige patterned paving stones. The landscaping is primarily composed of gravel, small stones, and succulents of varying colors and sizes, including agaves and other desert-like plants. Large driftwood pieces are strategically placed throughout the yard, adding a rustic texture contrast to the clean lines of the home and paving. A modern, minimalist home exterior with a meticulously landscaped yard. The house features a light beige facade and dark gray roof, with a stone wall section in a slate gray/brown. Large windows offer views into the house from the yard. The landscaping is a mix of drought-tolerant plants, grasses, and succulents, in muted greens, browns, and grays. Large rocks and gravel are used in the design, creating a pattern of rectangular paving stones. The paving stones are a light gray/beige. Palm trees and other greenery are present, adding depth and dimension to the scene. The sky is a clear, vibrant blue, with soft, natural light.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.